Hello viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make raw mango pachadi. This is a traditional recipe and a special recipe for Ugadi and also Tamil New Year. This is done in the mango season so that you can get all fresh mangoes. Happy Ugadi and Tamil New Year to everyone watching. This is the traditional recipe. I learned it from my friend. It tastes absolutely delicious. I paired it with bottle gourd kootu and rasam. You can pair it up with any dal of choice and rice. It satisfies all your taste buds as it is bursting out with flavors. It is sweet, sour and also spicy. Usually it is done with neem flour. I skipped it as I did not get it here. Let's jump into the making. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Once it is hot, then add half a teaspoon mustard seeds, generous pinch of asafoetida and few curry leaves. Toss it for a minute. Add 1 raw mango. I have peeled the skin. Remove the seed. Slice the pulp into thin slices. Make sure it is not too thick, otherwise it will take a longer time to cook. Select a variety of raw mango which can be diced like this. Do not do this recipe with ripened mango, it will not be the same. Fry everything for a minute. Now let's add the turmeric and chili powder. I am going to add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust this according to your taste. If you like it spicy, you can add more. Fry everything for about 2 minutes. Add half a cup of water to cook the mangoes. Boil the mangoes until it turns translucent. Add salt needed for this recipe. This turned out perfectly delicious. You can try this at your home for any festive season. This goes very well with dal and rice. You can also pair it up with rotis and parathas. I am going to cover and cook it for about 3 minutes. Let the mango pulp turn soft. After 3 minutes, you can see the water has reduced now and the mango is cooked. The mango pieces turn translucent. Give it a good mix and now let's add the jaggery. You can add about 2 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of jaggery upon your preference. First, just add 2 tablespoons and check for the taste. If you want more sweetness, you can add more. Once you add the jaggery, do not cook it for a long time as jaggery crystallines faster. Just cook it for 2 minutes until the jaggery is completely dissolved. Check for salt and add if needed. Now let's remove it from heat once done. This is one such dish which is enjoyed by everyone in our family. Do try it at your home and comment your feedback. I am sure you are going to love it. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Many of my playlists and video links are shared in the description. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.